In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 4 types of Nivea body lotion. Nivea have so many products. It might be difficult for you to find the one that is suitable for your skin type, or it might be difficult for you to find the one that you can like or the one you can use. Some people have been asking, is Nivea a bleaching cream or a brightening cream? Actually, in this video, I'm going to be explaining what these 4 types of Nivea does to your skin, and if you are in this kind of position or in this kind of situation, the one you can actually go for or the one you're supposed to be using. So number one here, I have Nivea Even and Radiant. Nivea Even and Radiant is specially formulated with a combination of Nivea deep skin serum, which makes it very effective for your skin, for any skin type. When we talk about Radiant, a cream has some radiant ingredients. It means to give your skin a new look. If your skin is dull, like if you have a dull skin and you want to glow a little, just want your skin to glow, that is when you go for this Nivea Even and Radiant. This Nivea Even and Radiant will make your skin to glow and also brighten your skin a little. It's not like it will bleach you or it will give you automatic whitening at the spot. No, if you use it between 14 days, you're going to get that radiant result. You understand? And also it depends on the soap, a particular soap that you want to use with the Nivea Even and Radiant. So another one in my list, I have Nivea Femin. Nivea Femin has Q10 and vitamin C. Nivea Femin is very, very good because in lifetime, as life may go on, you might start having, let me say, skin sag. Your skin is losing out. You begin to have some problem with your skin in such a way, like in such a way you are no longer happy with your skin. You begin to have some skin irritating and all those kind of things. So you go for this Nivea Femin. It will bring back your skin together and give you what you really need, and give your skin that special and perfect look that you deserve. You understand? So when going for this Nivea Femin, if you have a dull skin, as I repeat again, if you have a dull skin or your skin is getting sag, that's when you go for this Nivea Femin. So another one I have Nivea Extra White, Radiant and Smooth. Nivea Extra White, Radiant and Smooth is very, very good because it contains a deep white essence that repair and nourish and smoothen your skin. You understand? So this Nivea Extra White, Radiant and Smooth is very, very good. If you want to like just brightening small, you go for this one. It's going to bring out your skin, give your skin a better look and brighten your skin a little. So I have another one. I have Nivea Extra Whitening Cells Repair. Nivea Extra Whitening Cells Repair and UV Protection. Nivea Extra Whitening Cells Repair UV Protection is very, very good. In a sense, like it repair dead cells, repair dead skin, and bring out your skin in a position it's supposed to be. Naturally, Nivea products are actually good because they are actually moisturizing, they are smooth, and they absorb into the skin very quickly and effectively. Thank you. See you in my next video.